friends, let's try to answer more MCQs on constitutional framework historical background. These are the second set of questions and the first set of questions are already uploaded in my channel. If you have not watched it, please go and watch. The link for the same will be given in the description. So let's start with our questions. In which act direct elections were introduced for the first time in India? The options are Government of India Act of 1919, Government of India Act of 1935, Indian Independence Act of 1947, Indian Councils Act of 1892. And the answer is Government of India Act of 1919. The second question is, which is not the feature of Government of India Act of 1919? Introduction of separate electorates for Muslims, introduction of diarchy, devolution of legislative authority by center to provinces, partially responsible governments in provinces. And the answer is introduction of separate electorates for Muslims. Separate electorate was introduced in Indian Councils Act of 1909 and remaining all three options are introduced are the features of 1919. So first one is not the feature of 1919. Next question. The Government of India Act of 1919 was made based on options are Simon Commission, Merleau-Monti reforms, Montagu-Chelmsford reforms and the Councils Act of 1909. And the answer is Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. Government of India Act of 1919 was also known as Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. Montagu was Secretary of State for India and Lord Chelmsford was Viceroy of India. The Pune Pact of 1932 upheld. The options are separate electorate, joint electorate with reserved for depressed classes, joint electorate with reserved seats for Hindus, and joint electorate. And the right answer is joint electorate with reserved for depressed classes. The Pune Pact refers to an agreement between Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi and it was signed on 24 September 1932 at Erwada Central Jail in Pune. This pact was in order to break the fast undertaken by Gandhi in Erwada Jail to get communal award modified. The next question is, the first Public Service Commission in India was set up in which year on recommendation of Lee Commission? And the options are 1925, 1927, 1924 and 1926. And the answer is 1926. Government of India Act of 1919 provided for establishment of Public Service Commission. Hence, a Central Public Service Commission was set up in 1926 for recruiting civil servants. In which act provincial autonomy was introduced? The options are Pitt's India Act of 1784, Government of India Act of 1858, Government of India Act of 1935 and the Government of India Act of 1919. The correct answer is Government of India Act of 1935. In this act, it abolished diarchy in provinces and introduced provincial autonomy in its place. The provinces were allowed to act as an autonomous units of administration in their defined spheres. What are the salient features of Government of India Act of 1935? The options are diarchy at center, abolition of diarchy in the state, federation and provincial autonomy, and all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Who was the first Governor General of Independent India? The options are C. Rajagopalachari, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and Mountbatten. The right answer is C. Rajagopalachari. Which act provided for establishment of a federal court? The options are Government of India Act of 1919, Government of India Act of 1935, Indian Councils Act of 1909, Indian Independence Act of 1947. The answer is Government of India Act of 1935. And for your information, the federal court was set up in the year 1937. Who introduced local self-government in India? Lord Macaulay, Lord Bentinck, Lord Mountbatten, Lord Ripon. The right answer is Lord Ripon. Lord Ripon passed famous resolution on local self-government on May 18, 1882. It recognized the twin considerations of local government. The first one is administrative efficiency and the second one is political education. The Pune Pact was a reaction to what? The options are Simon Commission, Mountbatten Plan, Communal Award, and the Charter Act of 1892. The answer is Communal Award. The idea of recruitment on merit principle can be traced to what? Macaulay Committee, Lee Commission, Simon Commission, and the Maxwell Committee. The right answer is Macaulay Committee. Reserve Bank of India to control currency and credit of country was established by which act? The options are Charter Act of 1892, Indian Independence Act of 1947, Government of India Act of 1935, and the Government of India Act of 1919. The right answer is Government of India Act of 1935. Which portfolio was held by Liaquat Ali Khan during interim government of 1946? The options are finance, defense, law, and labor. The right answer is finance portfolio. Who was the first law minister of first cabinet of Free India 1947? The options are Jawaharlal Nehru, Jagjeevan Ram, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and C. Rajagopalachari. The right answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So these are the some of the questions from constitutional framework historical background. Hope it helps you. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.